In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset QuickBooks Online. Whether you're new to QuickBooks or just need a fresh start, this quick process can help you regain control and clarity with your financial data. We'll carefully walk through each step so that by the end, your QuickBooks account will be reset, clean, and ready for new data. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the QuickBooks Online homepage. Look toward the top right corner and click the Sign In button. This takes you to the login screen, your gateway to all your QuickBooks data and settings. Enter your email and password carefully to avoid any login issues. If you've forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password link to reset it quickly. Once your credentials are entered, click Sign In to access your account. Now comes a crucial step. You'll need to navigate to a special URL designed to purge company data, qb.in.com/purgecompany. Enter this URL carefully. Once the page loads, you may notice extra text at the end of the URL. Delete everything after the last /, then replace it with Purge Company and press Enter. This signals to QuickBooks that you intend to permanently reset your account. The next page provides a confirmation step. At the bottom right corner, type YES in all caps to confirm that you are certain about purging the current company data. This safeguard ensures you don't accidentally delete important information. Once confirmed, click the OK button. This action will execute the reset, clearing all existing company data and giving you a completely fresh slate to start anew. Before performing the step, it's wise to back up or export any important financial reports, invoices, or records. Remember, this process is irreversible, so double check that you really want to start over. This reset is ideal for reorganizing your account, correcting setup mistakes, starting a new fiscal year, or even preparing the account for a new business scenario. You'll be amazed at how much easier managing your books becomes with a clean slate. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've successfully reset your QuickBooks Online account. This process can be a powerful way to refresh your bookkeeping, improve organization, and set up your account exactly the way you want. With your account cleared, you can now customize settings, recreate categories, and start fresh with confidence. Feel free to revisit this video anytime for guidance or as a quick refresher. Thank you for watching, and happy bookkeeping.